far to the northwest of Spain, in the region known as Galicia, very near the end of the world, as it was known until 1492, when Christopher Columbus discovered America, lies a succession of sea inlets, the result of the flooding of river valleys due to the rising sea levels. Here, the scenic beauty, the beaches, the natural parks, and the rich gastronomy make it one of the places in Spain really worth visiting. And in this series of episodes, you'll discover what you can find in this breathtaking part of Spain called Rías Baixas. In this first episode, you will discover 3 amazing destinations: the island of A Toxa, Ogrove, and San Vicente do Mar. Get ready for an unforgettable experience combining the sea, tradition, and well-being. We begin the tour on the island of A Toxa, one of Galicia's most iconic destinations. This small island, connected to the municipality of Ogrove by a picturesque bridge from the early 20th century, is synonymous with luxury, relaxation, and spa traditions. The first thing that catches your eye is the famous shell church, the Hermitage of San Caralampio. Its walls are completely covered with thousands of scallop shells, a symbol of pilgrims on the Camino de Santiago and a visual icon that leaves no one indifferent. The island became famous in the 19th century thanks to the healing properties of its thermal waters. Here you will find one of the oldest and most prestigious spas in Spain, which still offers therapeutic treatments and luxury accommodations. Very close to the old spa building and the church, you can visit the Museum of the Old Soap Factory, which still produces traditional A Toxa soaps made with mineral salts and renowned for their softness and unmistakable aroma. The landscape of this beautiful island is completed by a marina, elegant hotels, a golf course, and paths through pine forests that invite you to a peaceful stroll while the salty air renews your body and mind. But our adventure on the Isla de la Toxa doesn't end here. You can board a boat to enjoy a unique and traditional experience, a mussel boat ride through the calm waters of the Arousa Estuary. This estuary is the largest in Galicia and is home to the so-called batías, floating platforms dedicated to the cultivation of mussels, oysters, and scallops. During the tour, we can observe up close how this traditional farming system works, which has been perfected over generations, making Galicia the leading mussel producer in all Europe. The guide on board explains how the mussels are selected, how they are hung from submerged ropes, and how long they must remain in the water until they reach their peak. And of course, the best part is the onboard tasting. All you can eat freshly picked, steamed mussels, served with a local wine, a crisp Albariño, while the boat slowly navigates the estuary, offering incredible panoramic views. It's an unforgettable and delicious experience, and I highly recommend it. Now, I don't know about the boats that sail from Ogrove, but this one that sails from A Toxa Island will serve you as many mussels as you like. Back on dry land, we head to the charming fishing village of Ogrove, a seaside town that has managed to maintain its essence despite the passage of time. Known as the seafood capital, Ogrove is a destination that combines tradition, nature, and exquisite cuisine. Strolling through its fishing port is like stepping back in time. Its colorful boats, nets drying in the sun, and its streets tell stories of sailors and shellfish gatherers. Gastronomy here is an art, and its taverns serve the best seafood in the region. Every October, the Seafood Festival is celebrated, an event that attracts thousands of visitors from around the world. Our next and last stop in this first episode of our tour of the Rías Baixas is San Vicente do Mar, a small coastal town known for its impressive rocky coastline and crystal clear waters. Here, the coast is at its wildest, with hidden coves, natural viewpoints, and a wooden boardwalk that winds between cliffs, pine forests, and granite formations sculpted by the wind and seas over the centuries, known as the route of Pedras Negras. It's one of the most beautiful stretches of the Galicia coastline, ideal for walking at sunset while listening to the crushing waves. San Vicente do Mar maintains a relaxed, family-friendly atmosphere, much appreciated by those escaping mass tourism. On its seaside there are terraces where you can enjoy appetizers with the Ons Island visible on the horizon. The Rías Baixas are one of the best places to travel to, and especially in summer months. And that is why it needs to be on your must-visit list. My name is Alex Moraras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, and definitely subscribe to find out more amazing places to visit before you come to Spain.